PSL Pulse bafethu. I'm your host to see bafethu. We are live from Albertine bafethu at the 7th bafethu. Ngiphethe ubhuti wami la. Khotman umnandi. Yeah. Bhuti wami game namhlanje yakubona uyibukela igame relaxile uchillile Saturday. Uyibone kanjani igame namhlanje?
Hayi namhlanje be right into enginotisile ucoach ubeke umfuke ngebhenchini for ukuthi amekele igame eMarumo Galaxy next week because yabona manje ukuthi competition that's why umbula amfakile namhlanje bekangekho for the last 2 games namhlanje umfakile noma ethi umbuthuma namhlanje bekangekho egamini but wambekezele ukuthi igame at least iphela yazibonakalisa but siyathemba ukuthi next week uMarumo Galaxy uma singathatha 3 points sibuye sithathe le Kaizer Chiefs futhi iSundowns nge-18 3 points at least ngavula igap kancane.
Yabona bhuti wami sengijampile ke manje awuthi sikhulume ngayo vele le lama points we-league lawo because already sinemarumo Gallants sinemamelodi Sundowns and sine Kaizer Chiefs nge-28 so kulama game ayi-3 lawo uthi Orlando Pirates izobuya nama point amangaki?
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi if ingawina kuMarumo Gallants which means soba sina 38 points plus layer 3 points which means 41 points lokho kuzocabanga ukuthi kuzovula igap right kakhulu ukuthi iPirates noma ingadlala amadraw kulama game aqhamukayo lokho kusindile kulabo abayi2 abahluphayo hayi kuzoba right kakhulu.
Okay bhuti wami back to game namhlanje kancane nje ngibone ucoach enza ama changes sibone uTito namhlanje khona sibone umbule namhlanje khona sibone noMasindi namhlanje ekhona lokho ukuthola ama minutes and as you said uMbuthuma was not clinical that much but angitshela ukuthi ukubuye kwaTito noMbule kuzoboosta kanjani lama young player adlala ku Pirates?
Yeah, ngicabanga ukubuya kwaTito noMbule kuzenza ukuthi maybe kuma young players nabo babona because ngicabanga ukuthi le game eMarumo uzobabuyisa futhi uTito noMbule ayenzele ukuthi babone ukuthi bazoba fit for igame eSundowns. Ngicabanga ukuthi lokho kuzobasiza ukuthi basize kulama player amanye ukuthi babone ukuthi nakakhona kuMarumo Galaxy kugame eSundowns bazoperform ngaba siyabanida vele kule game eSundowns special uMbule.
Thank you bhuti wami ngiyabonga. One question nje yokugcina ke. Umbatha was our man of the match today. Ucabangani ngaye namhlanje ngeperformance yakhe? Because udlala ama position ayi2 bekadlala as holding 6 then waphinde waswitch adlala as number 8. Ucabangani ngaye today?
Umbatha vele is a good player from ukudala. Se just coach sometimes ngicabanga ukuthi ufuna ukubanika ichance abona ukuthi ubani ogood Umbatha noMbule but namhlanje ngimangaza kamkhipanga uMbatha ufaka uMbule abafaka bonke just bekafuna ukubona ukuthi baperforma kanjani. I think leyo ndlela izomsebenzela le plan yakhe right.
Bhuti wami okay awuthi ngivale yokugcina ke manje Orlando Pirates sewine M108 sewine eCarling knockout and nale League Cup yakhona kusele iNedbank Cup ne-league na ucabanga ukuthi Orlando Pirates izokhona ukuthatha i-league ne-Nedbank Cup?
Ngicabanga ukuthi vele definitely uzowathatha u2 special coach vele leyo umsebenzi asale ngawo u2 yeah and if anganqoba loyo which means awe deserve ukuthi Pirates angayikho no matter besimngabaza nje qala ukuthi hayi lo coach abheda but sesiyayibona into ayenzayo ngicabanga ukuthi soyithatha icup ne-league.
Okay bhuti wami ngibonga kakhulu Khotman ngibonga kakhulu bhuti. Thank you. Wafethu I'm Sia we are live from Albertine. Thank you.